The United States federal government has been plunged into a massive legal and political crisis following a definitive ruling by the Supreme Court. In what is being described as the most significant setback of his presidency, the Supreme Court has officially declared the trade war initiated last April by President Trump to be illegal. The legal battle centered on the president's decision to declare a national emergency as a justification for imposing reciprocal tariffs on nearly all major trading partners. However, the High Court's final verdict clarifies that the power to levy tariffs belongs exclusively to Congress. The justices ruled that a declaration of a national emergency does not grant the executive branch the authority to bypass legislative oversight on trade. Because this is a final ruling from the highest court in the land, there is no further venue for appeal. The consequences of this decision are staggering. All tariffs previously imposed under this executive action are now considered void. Furthermore, the federal government has already collected approximately $175 billion in tariff revenue, most of which has already been spent. While the court did not explicitly dictate how these funds should be handled, the ruling is expected to trigger a flood of litigation from companies seeking refunds. In a defiant response to the ruling, President Trump held a press conference where he lambasted the Supreme Court justices. Moving beyond rhetoric, the president immediately announced a new plan to impose a 10% import tax on all global goods for a period of 150 days, signaling a direct challenge to the court's authority. Adding to the tension, Vice President Vance publicly characterized the Supreme Court's decision as an illegal act itself. The sight of the executive branch accusing the judiciary of breaking the law has left international observers stunned and Washington in a state of total disarray. As the administration and the courts move toward a head-on collision, the fundamental question of who holds ultimate authority in the United States remains unanswered.